Ow! Hey guys, it's Rebecca. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a vlog of my staycation, I guess you could call it. This week we are doing a couple different things. First, we are going to Great Wolf Lodge in Niagara Falls. Then the next day we are going to a Blue Jays game downtown. And then the day after that we are going to the beach for a day. So I'm going to try to film some clips throughout each day to show you guys and put it into one video. And I think it's going to be super fun. So let's just get right into it.
Who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me. Ayy, got the pedal moving swiftly. Vibe like suns, and I had to raise them strictly. Wishing I could always stay this way. Ayy, chilling by the bay. Had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you.
The game today is against the Cleveland Indians, and this is the game on July 23rd, so this game isn't actually televised on TV, it's just live streamed on YouTube or something like that, so special edition clips for you guys. You're welcome.
Liberate, dividend, cash it in, never spend, unless you chillin' with a friend, and he don't have the means to get his pocket filled with ends. Still a man is wishing I could always stay this way. Ayy, chillin' by the bay, had to make me say that even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we just got here. We are now in the stadium, and these are our seats. And this is our view. It's pretty cool.
Hey, even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. Through the city, had to get outside, it couldn't get any more pretty. I'm moving, ayy, who's coming with me? Swerving on my bike, making 20 feel like 50. Man, they miss me, ayy, got the pedal moving swiftly. Vibe like suns, and I had to even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. And even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top, yeah. On top, yeah. I'm cruising through the city, had to get outside, it couldn't get in.
Alright guys, so that concludes my mini staycation vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun to film. And if you stayed to the end of this video, congratulations. And leave a comment with a whale emoji. Make sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
On you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top.